Hey everybody, we are out here at Eskers Trail at Lewis and Clark State Park today. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, the lake is still a little frozen. Since most people who hike this trail tend to stay towards the northern end of it and don't go all the way to the southern end, they don't get to see everything that the trail has to offer. So we're gonna go all the way to the end to where the overlook is and see what it looks like down there. We're already getting a good view here. Check this out. Look at that. This is just the beginning of the trail, but already you can look all the way across the lake here. There's these little areas here along this trail that are a little more wooded and a little further down, and so you kind of get out of the wind for a few minutes, which is nice. We're about to come up on one of the coolest features on this trail, and that is that this trail actually crosses one of the main highways here, but to make that happen, there is a tunnel. So you can come through the tunnel with me. It is admittedly a bit damp today. But that is a pretty cool view coming out of the tunnel. And we're back on solid ground. You can see there's the road right there behind us and the tunnel we just went through. Now this is a super cool little spot. You can see there's a bench here, so you can just kind of hang out and sit on the bench and take in the view. It's a really great stopping point too, because it's kind of at the top of a bit of a climb. But of course, this is not our stopping point because we are going to keep going up to the main lookout and see what the view is like from there. So right here, you can see that this wood has been chewed on by something. All these little sticks have been chewed on. This is actually a sign of a porcupine living in this area. They are very good at hiding, and it's actually really hard to spot them. We are coming up on some really cool views here. I know it's a little bit brown, and some people might say, oh, why would you go hiking when it's just so brown? But in reality, it is absolutely gorgeous. We are just about to our overlook, so we're just about done with this trail. And here we are. See the bench right here for our overlook. This is definitely well worth the trip to get up here. It has really been fun to hike. It's been a really cool day. Make sure you come out and check out Eskers Trail.